So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Paco Idol 2025. I am Baran Barzada, and I will introduce HomePlate, an online platform for housewives to sell their products via online. So let's proceed. When you go outside or stay in the home, you wanna order homemade food. You open the app, you see there's nothing homemade food, and even if it's there, it's not reliable. So it's because there's a lack of homemade food in the market, and there's a big issues trust that's related to safety and the quality of food. So what we should do to prevent that is we should create an online platform for housewives where they can sell their products via online, and also we need to ensure that all the foods in the app will be made of certificated food and by licensed cooks. So our product will have an advanced system and multiple sections. For example, food recommendation, dish rater, cook rater, and so on. So we have a great opportunity in terms of market size in the world, in CIC countries, and in Azerbaijan, we have an obtainable food market of $13.5 million. So, according to our surveys, more than 85% of housewives and clients are interested in the app, and they want to use that when it's created. So, we will have three main income sources. First, it's the subscriptions of just $9.99, and then we will have commission of just 12% for each transaction made. And finally, we will have advertisements of food-related companies in our app. So the question comes to my mind that what makes it different from others? And the answer is that we will have meal plan subscription, homemade food, food recommendations, and we are individual oriented. So through the 25 and 26, we will launch our first platform and get our first users. And after refining our platform and getting enough market share in Baku, we will finally expand to regional market. I couldn't ignore with the importance of a team in any process. So here's our wonderful team behind me dealing all the issues. So if you want to be part of our revolutionary food industry team, please get in touch and scan the QR code to see them. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you. Amazing job. Amazing job. Samir.
Yeah, so how does the process work? I open the app, I see the meal, and I order, right?
Yes, it's the same as Bolt and
What?
Bolt.
Right? What's the motivation for home cooks to list themselves on your platform rather than Bolt or
We will have a special sale at housewives because, for example, in Bolt or other alternatives, they are mainly focused on restaurants. For example, there's a big restaurant and they will just only hire them because it's just only sweets. But in our app, housewives will find a place for sell their products. For housewives, there's nothing any other alternatives to sell their products. That's why all housewives will mainly focus on our product.
Don't you think it's actually a good idea? Because if restaurant is a legal entity, right? It's been supervised by this food security, whatever agencies and so on. How are you going to make sure that these meals that are being cooked at this home cooks, like is it
They are reliable.
poisoning and so on, this kind of thing?
So first, we will make sure that all foods will be made of certificated food because in Azerbaijan, more than 80% of food are not certificated. That basically means that they are not reliable. When you buy them, if you eat, if a poisonous case happens, no one is responsible. So we will make sure that all food will be made of certificated foods, and also ensure that the cooks will be licensed. For example, we will have 4 states for that. We will make a simple quiz, and the pass rate will be more than 70%. And also, we will send kitchen inspections to their house. And after we require the local health certification and also food certification, we can ensure about that the whole process, all the possible problems will be erased.
Just a comment, not a question. So this is a cool stuff. I mean, this is good stuff. There is a real thing in the market and so on, but you just need to figure out this part of the business. It grew and then
nice. And you can also try